ride to the Bonne Terre Mine.
Look at that place, it's so nondescript.
It is. So you get your tickets right here. Come in this building. We got the prices of the boat tour we're getting ready to do. For over 150 years, Bonne Terre Mines has been a National Historic Site. Founded by the St. Joseph Lead Company in 1862, it has produced over 35 million tons of lead today. Here's the entry to the mine. Mine trains. They got the track still.
But there is still remnants left behind on purpose for structure and support. That's actually what makes up a lot of these walls and pillars that we see today.
Bonne Terre Mine is one of the largest man-made caves. It is 200 feet below the streets of Bonne Terre, Missouri.
Overlooking this fenced-in area, it's called the Clinton Shaft. It was put in 1869. Top to bottom, it's 120 feet down. It's one of the first exploratory shafts of our mine, so it would have been a hand-dug shaft. We're probably 80 foot below the surface. When you go to look down this, you're looking down another 40 foot. About 120 total.
Wow.
How many people are working here?
Drunk.
Look at the wood up there too.
You gotta take a look at it.
He's out and left these columns like this.
You'd almost have to be here to see it because it's so big.
This is actually one of the stations away from
Like, we're going to talk some more about the water and how the water got down here. Because the water we're seeing today is not coming in through an underground well or spring. It's actually coming from above us. So it's coming in through that limestone we were talking about. So it takes about a week or so to make its way through the limestone. It comes down here with pH balance around 7 or 8. Has an alkaline mineral water. It's also what gives it that blue color and clarity.
Yeah, I like the little... Oh, it's steel. I was wondering what that was. It did, didn't it? Where the divers go and dive.
Yeah, well, that's what I was gonna say. We were like, just right there, like, I just have this random knowledge. I'm like, yeah, I also just have this random. Okay, so how many? That's all calcium. Yeah? Yep. Yep. Anything white or cream colored like that's gonna be some calcium. Including this stuff over here.
Whoa. Apparently the cave water is 58 degrees all year round. It is one of the top 10 diving destinations in the United States. And it is also the National Geographic's calls Bonne Terre Mines one of the greatest adventures. We got divers' weights. All the dive equipment, tanks. So much to film here. Our boat raid.
Who's driving the boat?
Him, I think.
Wow.
No, I think a cricket is driving the boat.
You guys want to sit in the back or front?
Yeah, I was gonna have you guys stay here in the back.
Is a fox gonna drive
Oh, cool.
the boat today?
Yeah, someone's gonna drive it.
No, a fox is.
A fox?
I love
Boat ride.
No. We're gonna pass in between these pillars, guys. Again, if you want to overlook your edge a little bit, you can. You can kind of get a glimpse of some of these pillars as they keep going down into the water. So it's kind of like what I mentioned earlier. I mean, some of these pillars, they get up to 100 or 200 foot tall. Get a small glimpse of what those divers get to see. So we are currently boating under the streets of Bonne Terre. We're not under the parking lot anymore. And like what I mentioned, this is about 15 or 20 foot of water. It's going to drop off to about 90 foot in just a moment. And if you guys look over to the right, you can find the answer. So look to your right where this multicolored light is. If you look at the very top of that pillar, you can see one of the few sources of natural light in the entire mine. Up there is the 1095 air and supply shaft. It stands for 10 feet, 9.5 inches wide. It's how we trained the boat down here. It's how the miners trained the locomotive down here. 2002, we hosted the World Wakeboarding Competition, the Red Bull Depth Charge. So they brought all of that equipment down here as well.
Guess somebody got married here. It's pretty cool.